my eyes now, but I know there's always a way. From sunrise till dawn, I'll be here waiting. From sunrise till dawn, I'll never stop. I'll fix you up, make everything much smoother again. I'll fix you up, from sunrise till dawn, my friend. I'll fix you up, with these hands and heart so true. I'll fix you up, Daniel, I'll fix you up. The connections might be tangled, the power source has lost its spark, but every wire tells a story, and I can mend what's torn apart. From sunrise till dawn, I'll be here waiting. From sunrise till dawn, I'll never stop. I'll fix you up, make everything run smooth again. I'll fix you up, from sunrise till dawn, my friend. I'll fix you up, with these hands and heart so true. I'll fix you up, Daniel, I'll fix you up. When the current isn't flowing, when the signals disappear, I'll be here with tools and patience, make the static crystal clear. Every cable, every circuit, every problem that you bring, I'll restore what time has broken, make the whole world sing. So don't you worry about tomorrow, don't you stress about today. I've got maintenance for your troubles, and I'll chase them all away. I'll fix you up, make everything run smooth again. I'll fix you up, from sunrise till dawn, my friend. I'll fix you up, with these hands and heart so true. I'll fix you up, Daniel, I'll fix you up. Hey, Daniel, everything's good as new. Hey, Daniel, I'll fix you up for you.
Welcome to the show. Where in the heck has this week gone? It seems like this week has just gone by so fast. But today is the Florida Judicial 11th Circuit Court in the Florida Judicial. And we're starting where we left off the last time. So let me get this presentation started and enjoy yourself. Share screen. Go back to StreamYard and make that bigger.
Next to Jack Voltaire, is he there?
Your Honor, they brought him. He refused when he was here. He wanted to go back. They're going to try to reset him for the appear for Zoom.
Okay, thank you. I'll reset it for the afternoon. They got my order to appear, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, it's attached to the card.
thank you. I need to read the stay away order. Also, we have John Gianelli,
Ward D.
reset Ward D. That's it for the morning calendar, so we'll see everybody at 1:30.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
See you later.
My energy bill dropped from $150 to $50.
Recording stopped.
How are you? Take care.
Recording in progress.
El juez.
Hi, everybody. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to Felony First Appearance Hearings. I am Judge Mindy Glazer. I will be presiding today. The video for first appearance hearings has been played to all defendants. I need everybody to please stand up, raise your right hand, and be sworn in by our clerk.
Buenas tardes, pónganse en pie y levanten la mano derecha para ponerles bajo juramento, por favor. Bienvenidos a la audiencia de fianza. Preside la sesión la juez Mindy Glazer.
Good afternoon, everybody. All rise and raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you are about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? If so, say I do.
Con la mano derecha levantada, juran decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
All right, thank you. Please be seated.
Gracias, pueden tomar asiento.
If there's anybody here for a case on Zoom, please type the defendant's name in the chat room.
Si alguien se ha conectado en Zoom para alguno de los casos, ponga el nombre del acusado en el chat, por favor.
Thank you. Let's begin. Can you please announce, please, state?
Isaac Lickfield for the state.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Emily.
Good afternoon. We're going to start with an out of turn on page 19. It says Smith Lusant. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sir, you were arrested for a case from October 2nd. The charge is grand theft of a vehicle. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause. Is he being held on something else, corrections? Is it added charge?
Added charge.
Okay, there's probable cause for the charge. Your bond is $2,500. Have a nice day, sir.
What is the added charge? What is the added charge now?
This is it, the grand theft of a vehicle. It's from October 2nd.
I have bonded out on that one?
No, if you want to, you can. I don't know if you're being held on any.
No, I bonded out already.
Well, you can post a bond on this one. It's this, I guess, just took somebody's car. They left the keys in the car and the engine running, and you allegedly took it. So have a good day. Talk
No,
about
I bonded out on that one, ma'am.
Sir, this is a different one. You have multiple grand theft vehicle cases. This is a new one where a new arrest form just dropped on it, not the previous one.
Thank you, Mr. Clifton.
No.
All right, have a good day. Let me call up out of turn. Oh, 1 second. What?
Judge, who you calling that is who?
Uh-oh. 1 minute. Alondra Guzman Ramos.
She's not here yet.
Give me 1 second. I messed something up. Oh, boy, am I in trouble? She's not here, so the attorney has to wait. What about Ricardo Duker, page 5?
He's present.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Let me promote your attorney.
Birmingham homeowners, did you know there are 8 different ways to sell your home? Most real estate agents, even though I love
Mr. Maleb, are you there? Oh, okay. Sorry, this is Mr. Ricardo Duker.
Good morning, Judge. Good afternoon.
Hi, Mr. Maleb. Good afternoon. Sir, you were arrested for 1 count of organized fraud, and it's from March 17th of 2025.
Judge, I have a probable cause argument.
Okay, what is it, sir?
Judge, there's no pattern of behavior that is required for an organized scheme to defraud. There's no information about when there was a contract, when delivery was supposed to be made of the boat. There's no information regarding any of that that would be required. I don't see this as being any more than a civil dispute. The information is just very weak in the, there's no information about the ACH.
It looks like it should be grand theft. Mr. Glickfield, what do you want to say?
I completely agree. This guy took the money and then never delivered. That's theft.
Right. Sir, I can always set it tomorrow for a probable cause hearing if you like, but I think there's probable cause for grand theft.
Okay, Judge.
Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Nicholas Gregorio. No contact with that alleged victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. You must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, his home, school, and place of employment at all times. Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Yes.
Okay. There's probable cause. I'll set the bonds at well, it's a third-degree felony grand thefts, so it's $2,500. All right, you have a good lawyer. Listen to what he tells you. Take care, Mr. Miller.
Thank you, Judge. All the best.
Okay, next is Yvonne Acevedo, page 1.
She's not here. We have the female Miss Flanders here.
One second. Wait, what'd you just say? She's not here yet?
Judge, no, can we take Miss Flanders and then we can go back to the rest of the females?
Who am I taking?
Miss Flanders, Desma Flanders.
She's on page 1, Judge.
Desma Flanders. Is she there? Good afternoon, ma'am. You were arrested for 1 count of second-degree murder. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Yes, Your Honor, and we'll be invoking Ms. Flanders' right to remain silent and right to counsel.
So I've reviewed the arrest affidavit. There's probable cause for the charge. I guess she shot through a door because she was unhappy with the quality of the narcotics she purchased, and she struck the victim, fatally wounding him. So there's probable cause for second-degree murder. I'm going to grant the state's motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing and hold you with no bond. You will see a judge tomorrow morning, and that judge will set a final hearing on the state's motion for pretrial detention. Good luck to you, ma'am. Next, Glenys Pena Perez.
No, we have Acevedo.
Miss Acevedo, okay. One minute. Yvonne Acevedo, page 1. Good afternoon, ma'am. You were arrested for trafficking in illegal drugs. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Ma'am, have you hired a private lawyer? There's one here. I don't know if that's Mr. Martinez. You here for this?
No, Your Honor, I'm actually here for Sadat Kaya. I think it was an extradition. I don't know if you already handled that.
We do those in the morning. We don't do those in the afternoon.
Okay, so if you,
Tomorrow at 9 o'clock or 9:50.
perfect.
Can I start?
I will be there tomorrow morning. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
So, according to the University of Delaware, people with an IQ of 115 and above can perform any
All right, so ma'am, I'm sorry, can you afford to hire a private lawyer? I'm sorry?
Yeah,
Yes?
no.
No. Okay, I'll appoint the public defender's office for you. So she lives in LA, got stopped at the airport, kind of London, and then I guess they checked her bags and they found vacuum sealed bags, several brick-like shaped objects with a crystallized substance in it. They said ketamine hydrochloride weighing 17.48 kilograms. So she's trafficking in ketamine. I just want to make sure that's one of the drugs you can traffic in state. I'm not.
There's the A form system the police use specifically have ketamine as one of the things you can illegally traffic. So it wouldn't be in their system if they couldn't. And 17 kilograms, man.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's like 40 pounds.
Okay. She said she was bringing the bag for somebody. She met two people on her trip to London. And they asked her to take a bag, and they paid her $2,000 to do it. There's probable cause. What bond does the state want? Let me look at the stat. 893-1351C. Let me see. I'm just sorry. I'm looking at the statute. It's like in very small print. Give me 1 second. I don't know, Mr. Clickfield, what bond do you want on this? It's a lot of drugs, a lot of ketamine. I guess maybe I should just look up ketamine.
I'm so sorry. I thought I had been unmuted. I was looking at the statute too. The state would ask for 50,000.
And that's not enough.
The state would ask for 100,000.
I don't know if you can traffic in ketamine. Is there somebody in your office you can ask, please? I get it, and I'm not sure.
I will get up. Give me half a sec. I'll go run and ask my supervisor.
Okay, I'm not sure you can traffic in ketamine.
Your Honor, based on my read of the statute, it's not one of the things enumerated.
Pardon me?
It's not one of the things, but
I don't think it is. It would be possession.
If you use the search function, it doesn't show up in the statute.
Can you check with the narcotics ASA, please? That may can find out this answer, and I can track the case for a minute.
I will call them now.
they're gonna call you. You just have to look up. Sure.
Okay, so then we have, am I ready now? You don't have Miss Martha Borrego, right? You got a private lawyer for her? Is she here or no? Okay, I guess. Is this Miss Borrego? Good afternoon, ma'am. You were arrested for possession of cocaine and possession of drug paraphernalia. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There is probable cause. Cap alternate pot. $2,500 count 1, 500 count 2. And ma'am, you have to come back to court for the arraignment. What are we up to? December 1st at 9 a.m. Courtroom 7-2, Judge Millian. Have a nice day.
December. Yeah. Ma'am, what date is it?
Your cap, the case number is
This one pair of glasses fixed problems I didn't.
523699. Corrections, do you have the other person for the private lawyer, Guzman Ramos?
Yes, Judge.
Is she there?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Let me promote the attorney. If she raises her hand, it makes it easier. Thank you. Oh, I forgot the T. Thanks. Good afternoon, Ms. Guzman Ramos. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Thank you, ma'am. You were arrested for filing false or misleading workers' compensation insurance. It's from May of 2024. Your attorney is here. Good afternoon, Ms. Alvarez.
Good afternoon, Judge. It was good to see you.
Nice to see you. What's going on? What do you want for bonds?
Oh. I think I'd like whatever the standard bond is, Judge, or if she could be let on pretrial with the family. How long does it take to process someone on pretrial?
I don't know. A couple hours, I guess. It seemed like bonding out. She got a lot of money claiming, I guess, they're stiff in the state for the proper insurance premium, earning a lot more. They cashed over $6 million, close to $7 million in checks.
They have it right now at 1.7. She's only 23 years old, Judge. She has no priors.
Yeah, I know it's for business. All right, let's see. Pretrial services alternate bond for filing false workers' compensation insurance will be $5,000. All right, it should be charged as a first-degree felony. It's not. But
We're not at 100,000 yet. I spoke to the detective and they may be upcharging it, but they haven't as of right now.
But I give her pretrial if you want. It's from 2024 further back even. That's fine. Pretrial's fine. It goes to 2023 to 2024. I let you out on pretrial if you want, or you can call a bondsman and bond out. It's $5,000. You have a good lawyer. Listen to what she tells you. Nice to see you, Ms. Alvarez.
Hey, it's nice to see you, Judge.
Next, we have.
Judge, I have an answer on the ketamine question.
Okay. Yes.
It is a Schedule 3 drug, not a Schedule 1 drug.
So what does that mean? It's not traffic.
It's not in that statute. That statute, I think, is the Schedule 1 drug.
All right, someone set the wrong bond here. Ma'am, you got arrested for trafficking in ketamine. Ketamine is a Schedule 3 drug.
Yes.
So that means you can't traffic in it. You can't be found guilty of trafficking. All right, so I'll set her bond. It's probable cause for possession with intent to sell a controlled substance. There's also probable cause for importation of controlled substances to the United States. I don't know what bonds you want. It's just set. That's a lot.
I'd still ask for a very high bond, given the fact that 40 pounds of ketamine. $100,000 is still what I would ask for, Judge.
For possession with intent to sell? I'll set
20,000, Judge.
All right, I'll set your bond to $20,000. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Glennis Perez, Anna Perez, page 1.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Juan Warner, on behalf of.
Well, that worked out well.
Yes, I have the co-defendant as well, but it's okay. It's a feud on the line.
Oh, okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. You were arrested for organized fraud over $50,000, insurance fraud for a false or staged accident. Do you need an interpreter?
She does.
She needs Spanish.
Can you repeat the charges?
Sure. Organized fraud over $50,000, which is a first-degree felony.
Está usted acusada de fraude organizado de más de $50,000.
Insurance fraud for a staged accident.
Delito grave con fraude al seguro por accidente fingido.
Solicitation for filing false or fraudulent insurance.
Solicitar de alguien que preparase una reclamación falsa al seguro.
Grand theft of first, I'm sorry, it's 4 counts of solicitation for filing a false or fraudulent insurance claim.
Perdón, son 4 cargos de solicitar de alguien que preparase una reclamación falsa al seguro.
4 counts of grand theft. There's no riot.
This is why I want my money back from Plateful. I paid full price for their
4 cargos de hurto en mayor cuantía.
And 1 count of grand conspiracy to commit grand theft.
Y un cargo de confabularse para cometer hurto en mayor cuantía.
Your attorney is present. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Juan
Su
Moya.
abogado está presente. Buenas tardes.
Anything you want to say, sir?
Yes,
regarding
Judge.
cause?
Several of the counts appear to be duplicative in nature. I know the court is familiar with this fact pattern, this sort of allegations here.
I'm sorry, the interpreter can barely hear the attorney.
I said that several of the counts appear to be duplicative, and that I know the court is familiar with the fact pattern here in terms of what's alleged. I'd ask the court to fashion a total bond of somewhere in the neighborhood of $20,000, which I think would be reasonable under the circumstances.
Okay, basado en las circunstancias, alega el abogado, y yo sé que usted reconoce el patrón en este tipo de casos, solicitamos una fianza total de $20,000.
She goes and gets, I guess, medical care for the fake accident. They go to a law firm and make a claim of $300,000 for the insurance company.
Okay, ella se va a un médico con unas reclamaciones por un accidente fingido, se va a ese médico y después reclama $300,000 de daños a un seguro.
I have not had the benefit of reviewing the arrest affidavit, Judge. But that's,
All right, I'll set the bond I usually set in these. How long has she lived here in Miami?
Ok, voy a fijar la fianza que normalmente yo le pongo en este tipo de casos. ¿Cuánto tiempo lleva usted viviendo en Miami, señora?
I'll let her answer.
¿Perdón?
3 años.
Oh, 3 years.
I believe, can corrections confirm whether there are any other holds?
Does she have any other holds?
Un
No.
momento que...
Not on the jail card yet, but it's pending ISO.
There is an immigration hold.
Pending ISO. That's all I was going to
Okay.
say. To an extent, it's going to be irrelevant. Yes.
Ahora mismo no aparece en la ficha de la cárcel ninguna otra retención, pero sí está de camino una orden de retención de inmigración.
Count 1 organized fraud is $5,000.
En el cargo número 1, fraude organizado, $5,000 de fianza.
2 insurance fraud for the staged accident is $5,000.
Fraude al seguro con accidente fingido, $5,000 de fianza.
Count 3 in solicitation for insurance fraud will be $1,000.
Cargo número 3, solicitar que se presente una reclamación falsa, $1,000 de fianza.
I was an ROR, the other 3 counts of the same charge. Is that okay with you, or you want $1?
That's fine.
Counts 4 through 6 ROR, although
De
I'll
los,
pause.
de los cargos 4 al 6 va a ser libertad bajo palabra.
Count 5, I'm sorry, 4 through 6. So count 7, grand theft. I'll set that at $5,000.
El cargo número 7, que es hurto en mayor cuantía, le pongo ese en $5,000 de fianza, cada cargo.
8 through 10 ROR each count.
Del 8 al 10 va a ser libertad bajo palabra en cada uno de los cargos.
In count 11, conspiracy to commit grand theft. I'll set that at $1,000.
Y el cargo número 11, que es confabularse para cometer hurto en mayor cuantía, le voy a poner ese en $1,000 de fianza.
Total bonds, 1,000, okay. All right, you have a good lawyer, listen. Tells you.
How much is the total? I'm sorry.
I think it's 17,000.
Creo que es $17,000 la fianza total. Tiene un buen abogado. Escuche sus consejos.
Next, we have Angela Littlejohn. You have to wait till I get.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon. After this, I got to do one at a turn. Ma'am, you were arrested for battery on a person 65 or older. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Yes.
I don't know if there's an age listed.
Yes, Your Honor. I didn't see anything about the age based on the arrest.
Right. Hey, Mr. Voltaire, I'll be with you in 1 second, okay? I don't see an age. Ma'am, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Anna Shalabin. No contact with the alleged victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. And stay at least 500 feet away from her home, school, and place of employment. Do you live with her?
No. I was visiting,
Okay, that's it. There's probable cause for simple battery. You live in West Palm. I'll set a bond of $1,000. Have a good day.
My energy bill dropped from $150 to $50 by doing this.
All right, let me call up Mr. Voltaire's case.
He's out on felony bond, F-25-16762.
All right, hi, Mr. Voltaire. Oh, look at that nice smile he's giving us today. Hello. Let me find out, let's get the paperwork here. Here we go. So, sir, you were arrested for a case from October 28th. It's burglary to an unoccupied structure, 5 counts of criminal mischief, but we only found probable cause for 1 petty theft, threats to law enforcement. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Sir, I am ordering that you stay away from the Michael and Russell Jewish Community Center, the JC.
They love me there, okay.
All right, let me mute him. You're ordered to stay away from the Jewish Community Center over at 18900 Northeast 25th Avenue in Miami, Florida. You're not allowed to go to that location and you must stay away from there. Do you understand, sir?
Understood me, Your Honor.
Okay. So you're out on bond. There's a hold for you to see your judge tomorrow for case F-25-16762. Set the bond. Count 1 burglary is $2,500. Count 2 criminal mischief. I'm seeing that it feels like a lot of damages. 5,000. Count 2 is going to be $5,000 for the bond. Count
Okay,
3, 4, 5 through and 6. Do you want $1 each count or ROR?
Can we do $1 each, Your Honor?
Okay. So counts 3 through 6 will be $1 each count. Count. What page is he on? I'm sorry. 8. Okay. No, I'm sorry. Count 7. Oh, no. Count 7 is the petty theft. I apologize. What? Corrections. 3 through 6 is $1 each. $1 each count. I know it's 3 through 7. 3 through 6. $1 each count. Then count 7. Petty theft will be $500.
Count 7 is 100.
No, count 7 is $500. Count 8 through 17, ROR each count. And then count 18, the threats to law enforcement is $1,000. All right, sir, so you'll see Judge Brinkley tomorrow. Stay away from the Jewish Community Center. Have a nice day.
We'll do, Your Honor. Happy early Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, sir. Or happy Halloween. That's first. That's tomorrow. Okay. Okay, next. Who's this gentleman? What's your name? Mr. Yoel. What happened to Yoel Suarez?
It's me.
Oh, that's you. I'm sorry. Good afternoon.
Sanchez Potter.
Corrections. I'm sorry. Who is this before me?
This is Mr. Sanchez Potter.
What happened to Yoala Suarez?
She's NBC Medical and she's out on probation, F-23-18682.
Hold for the division judge on the 2 cases. Reset Medical. All right, now we have Mr. UC Sanchez Zapata. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and battery. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Let me review for probable cause.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and background play, so you can watch videos while
Excuse me, do you live with the victim? No, he doesn't live there. It's a burglary with an assault or battery. Hello, Mr. Glickfield, are you there?
Yes, Judge. I would have.
Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Diana Rivera. No contact with the victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. You must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home and school and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. And do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permit to the nearest police department and follow receipt with the court. Do you understand the stay away order, sir? All right, if you do. Theta, you filing that motion for pretrial detention? You gotta email it to the clerk or email it. Have it right over here. Email it to Ms. Hill, the PD.
Yes, Judge. I'll get that emailed over right now.
Filing a motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing. Because count one is probable cause for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. That's $5,000. Count two, there's probable cause for burglary with an assault or battery. That's no bond. Granting the state's motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing, and you'll see a judge tomorrow. That judge will set a final hearing for the motion. Good day, sir. Mr. Glickfield, you'll walk it over here?
Yes, I'll send somebody over with it to run it.
You have to email it to Ms. Hill, but Ms. Hill has to give us her email address for,
Yes, it's ehill@pdmiami.com.
ehill@pdmiami.com. And should I just email it to somebody on your end, Judge, or did you want me to have somebody physically?
Email it to Iadorno at my JA Iris Adorno, Iadorno at jud11.flcourts.org. What's your case, Mr. Marin? I need Samil Morales on page 4, please, for private attorney.
He has a home immigration.
He is the immigration. No.
Yes, so she's the co-defendant's son of the female that we dealt with a few moments ago.
Oh, okay. Mr. Glickfield, can you put your microphone on silent because I hear you clicking away. Thank you. We're on mute. Sir, do you speak English?
No.
Spanish, please. Sir, you were arrested for one count of organized fraud One count of insurance fraud for a staged accident.
Está acusado, señor, de fraude organizado. El primer cargo, un cargo también de haber reclamado falsamente un seguro por accidente fingido.
Also, 4 counts of solicitation for filing false insurance claim.
4 cargos de haber solicitado la demanda de unas falsamente al seguro.
4 counts of grand theft.
4 cargos de hurto en mayor cuantía.
Conspiracy to commit grand theft.
Confabulación de cometer hurto en mayor cuantía.
Your attorneys here in court, good afternoon. State your name, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Juan Morin on behalf of the defendant.
Su abogado está aquí en el tribunal. Se presenta el señor Juan Morín representando al acusado.
He is similarly situated, Judge, to Ms. Peña that we dealt with a few moments ago. I'd ask you to set the same bond. I have the breakdown unless the court has it.
Así como la señorita Peña anteriormente se lidió con su caso, solicitamos el mismo tipo de fianza para mi cliente.
That's fine. Count 1, organized fraud is $5,000.
Cargo número 1, fraude organizado, son $5,000 de fianza.
Count 2, insurance fraud for a staged accident is $5,000.
Cargo número 2, fraude al seguro por accidente fingido, son $5,000.
Count 3, solicitation for filing false or fraudulent insurance claim is $1,000.
Cargo número 3, solicitar la demanda fraudulenta o falsa a un seguro, $1,000 de fianza.
Sorry, with the 4 through 6. Counts 4, 5, and 6 ROR each count.
Los cargos 4, 5 y 6, libertad bajo palabra cada cargo.
Count 7, grand theft is $5,000.
Cargo número 7, hurto en mayor cuantía, $5,000 de fianza.
Count 8 through 10, the same charge, RO for each count.
De los cargos 8 hasta el 10, libertad bajo palabra en cada uno de los cargos.
Count 11, conspiracy to commit grand theft will be $1,000.
Cargo número 11, que es confabularse para cometer hurto en mayor cuantía, son, how much is the last one, I'm sorry?
$1,000.
$1,000 de fianza al último.
Thank you, Ms.
Thank
You have a
you.
good lawyer, listen to what he tells you.
Gracias, tiene un buen abogado, así que escuche sus consejos.
All right, next, Terrence Dixon, page 3.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. Hi, Mr. Dixon. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession of cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause. Let me see. There's probable cause. Tap alternate bond $1,000. You have to come to court for your arraignment on December 1st at 9 a.m. Courtroom 32. Have a nice day, sir.
The motion has been sent, Judge.
All right. Next, Kenneth Walker. Hi, Mr. Walker. Good afternoon. So you were arrested for strong arm robbery, petty theft, 2 or more convictions, and possession of a firearm or weapon by a convicted felon. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So this happened across the street at the river landing yesterday evening. Victim's an employee of Ulta. Let's see. So I guess he threats to the worker at the Ulta store. Then he goes out to Publix to steal some items there and makes, let's see. He stuffed multiple items into his pants to conceal them, left the store without paying. They confronted him. He had items from Publix. So it looked, he also had a tan Ruger firearm with one round in the chamber in the bottom of the bag. So actually it was an armed robbery. Let's see if it was operable. He stole cologne from Ulta. He's also a convicted felon. Hello, Mr. Glickfield. Are you going to be providing a motion?
Let me get another motion sent.
Now, sir, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victims. I don't know. You wrote De Silva something, J-O-S, De Silva,
That's how you spell his name, Joao.
J-O-A-O or J-A-O-A? That's what you wrote.
OAO.
J-O-A-O. Stay away from Joao Da Silva and Vanessa Espinosa and Gian Campo Ruby. No contact with those alleged victims, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. You must stay at least 500 feet away from their home, school, and place of employment at all times. Stay away from the public supermarket and Ulta beauty store at 1440 Northwest North River Drive in Miami, Florida. To stay away from the River Landing altogether. River Landing shops. Anyway, count one, there's probable cause for armed robbery with a firearm because during the course of the robbery, you were armed. It's no bond. I'm granting the state's motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing. And also, count two, petty theft, 2 or more convictions is $2,500. Although they may charge him with 2 counts of armed robbery. I don't know. Count 3, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. He has prior use his convictions, lots of them.
The motion has been sent.
That will be $7,500, count 3. You'll see a judge tomorrow. That judge will set a final hearing on the state's motion for pretrial detention. Have a nice day, sir. So I said no bond, 2,500 and 75. Okay. All right, next. Douglin Jean.
He received 500 on his traffic case.
All right, 1 second. I gotta tell my Jay to. I don't know if Iris is there. Iris, if you're watching, the state attorney sent you 2 emails to print out, please, and bring down the court. Wait, what'd you say he asked? He's out on bond. Oh boy, got a lot of cases you're out on bond for. 4 cases. So you were arrested for burglary to an occupied dwelling while wearing a mask and grand theft. In a second case for grand theft of a vehicle, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. And since you're out on felony bond, there's a hold for your open cases F25 170 17066 17629 19429 and F25 21669. So you'll see your judge tomorrow. I got a review for probable cause. So in this case, I'll start with F25 23712, the burglary while wearing a mask and grand theft. So I guess somebody called that their daughter saw a person all dressed in black inside her bedroom. Her window was open. It may have been the point of entry. So this is from October 21st. He went into the daughter's room while she's sleeping and stole her belongings. He stole her makeup, school book bag. She screamed when she saw him. subject dressed in all black with a mask. She ran to her parents' room, so he also stole her phone, her iPhone, and her used Chanel perfume bottle. And they used the iPhone to find my phone feature, and they found the location and saw a black male holding the phone with a silver case matching the victim's stolen phone. Then the officers came and they identified Mr. Jean. He came out of the home accompanied by his father. Mr. Jean is 21 years old. He claimed that, let's see, he denied having stolen the phone, claimed it was his. Then his father comes and produces another a silver iPhone case. He said he found it near the garbage cans. The phone was presented to the victim, his daughter, who immediately confirmed ownership by unlocking it with the correct passcode. Then they got fingerprints by the frame of the window they used to enter the home, and they positive results for Mr. Jean. So state, I don't know, burglary with a mask, is that a first-degree felony?
It is a first-degree felony, it looks like. I will get another motion sent over.
That, no, I don't think you need a motion. That one is pursuant to Arthur.
Perfect.
Although if I told him, I don't know if it's a PBL or just an F1. I think it's just a first-degree felony. Anyway, on F25-23712, you're ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Juan Fonseca, and his family, and the child his review went into. No contact with those alleged victims, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victims, their home and school, and place of employment at all times. Stay away from their residence at 4800 Northwest 10th Avenue in Miami, Florida. You understand, sir? These are allegations. You're presumed not guilty, but the court's finding probable cause for count one, burglary to an occupied dwelling while wearing a mask. That's a first-degree felony. I'm going to set that bond at $25,000. Count two, I just want it to be noted, he has 4 open cases where he's charged of burglaries, occupied burglaries, and grand thefts. The other case, count two is grand theft. I'm not sure if I saw value for the victim's phone, so I'm gonna set that bond at $1,000. Only probable cause for petty theft on count two. Okay, the other case is from October 30th, I guess, early in the morning today at 3 in the morning. So I guess he's in a stolen vehicle. They also found a holster for a firearm. The firearm was in the back seat. He's a convicted felon. So you're charged with grand theft of the vehicle. It's charged as a first-degree felony, but I believe it's a third-degree felony. There's no value for the vehicle. So count one, grand theft. That bond is $2,500. Count two, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. He has a conviction as a juvenile. I don't know if that would, I guess that would apply. He's a delinquent.
For felon in possession, it applies up to the age of 24. And once he's over 24, it will not apply anymore.
Once he's till the age of 23. So that bond will be $7,500 on count two. And you'll see your judge tomorrow. Good day, sir. Okay, next case is Rolando Soto, page 4. Good afternoon. Do you speak English, sir? Would you like a Spanish interpreter?
Yes, Spanish, please.
Thank you. Sir, you were arrested for possession with, solicitation for sale or delivery of a controlled substance.
Señor, está usted acusado de solicitar venta o entrega de una sustancia controlada.
Also, sorry. Mr. Cliffield, my JA didn't receive your motions. You send it to letter I, Adorno, ADORNO, at jud11.flcourts.org. Sorry. All right, so you're also charged with possession of ecstasy, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting an officer without violence.
También está acusado de tenencia de éxtasis, tenencia de parafernalia de droga y resistirse with or without, I'm sorry,
Without.
y de resistirse a un arresto sin violencia.
I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Le voy a nombrar el abogado de oficio que lo va a representar.
So he's stealing mail, it looks like, from a mailbox, and then the police, he runs and they stop him, and he has some drugs on him, right?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, but
I
your
said the
audio,
police saw him stealing mail from a mailbox and chased him, and then they found some drugs on him.
lo que le vio fue coger correo de un buzón, la policía lo persiguió y fue cuando se encontraron las sustancias.
He's using rope with glue on it to steal the mail from the mailbox.
Lo que hizo fue utilizar una cuerda con pegamento en el extremo para que el correo se pegara ahí.
The envelopes near the drop-off box were put back inside it since they were not opened. And the postal police were contacted. So there's probable cause for count one, there's probable cause for possession of a controlled substance, and that is crystal meth.
Existe motivo fundado para tenencia de sustancia controlada que es metadona en cristal.
That bond is $2,500.
La fianza por eso son $2,500.
It's methamphetamine, so we're clear. Count two, there's probable cause for possession of ecstasy, a controlled substance. That's a $2,500 bond.
Éxtasis y sustancia controlada, existe motivo fundado para esa acusación, son $2,500 de fianza.
Count three, possession of paraphernalia is $500.
Cargo número 3, que es tenencia de parafernalia de drogas, son $500 de fianza.
Count four, resisting without violence is $500.
Cargo número 4, que es resistirse sin violencia, son $500 de fianza.
It's plus house arrest with a GPS monitor.
Y todo esto va a ser con un monitor GPS.
Level 3 house arrest with a curfew from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Que es arresto domiciliario, nivel 3, de 11 de la noche a 6 de la mañana tiene un toque de queda.
That's it. Have a nice day.
Tenga buen día, señor.
Next is Dania Covington, page 4. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for trafficking in cocaine, possession with intent to sell Xanax, possession with intent to sell MDMA, possession of a place for purposes of trafficking in a controlled substance. Sir, but also possession of a place for trafficking in cocaine, possession with intent to sell cocaine, possession with intent to sell cannabis within 1,000 feet of a school. So I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Let me review. There was a search warrant. Let's see. They found 54 bags of cocaine, plus another 25 purple bags of cocaine, 40 ecstasy pills, 15 Xanax pills. Then they also were baggies and more cocaine, marijuana packages. They had a cash register. More marijuana. So he said he runs the listed location with another person. They cook food at the location. It's his place of business. This is 750 feet away from an elementary school, so there would be probable cause for the school enhancement. It's a little over, George, though. So I see Xanax, the ecstasy, the MDMA. All right. Count one, trafficking in cocaine. You gotta split that with the others. Count one, trafficking in cocaine will be $15,000. Count two, possession, 2 and 3, possession with intent to sell the controlled substances. I'll set those at $7,500 each count. Count 4, possession of a place for purposes of trafficking in a controlled substance. I'll split those 4 and 5. 4 will be $1,500. 5 is $1,000. Count 6, possession with intent to sell within 1,000 feet of the church or convenience store is $2,500. Count 7, possession with intent to sell cannabis within 1,000 feet of the school is $2,500. And that's it. Have a nice day. Next,
Judge, can I go over the bonds? I have 15,000, 7,500, 7,500, 1,500, 1,500.
no, count 5 is 1,000. I split 4 and 5. 1,500 count 4, 1,000 count 5, 6 and 7 are 2,500 each. Davon Mears is next.
And for the record, Mr. Covington had a child support writ of $2,000 cash.
Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for aggravated battery. It's from September 3rd. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. If any victims are here for this case, please raise your hand on Zoom.
Si hay alguien presente en Zoom por este caso, por favor levante el dibujito de la mano en Zoom.
Are you currently living with her or no? All right, I think maybe she struck the victim with a crate and she had to get medical attention. Sir, you are ordered to stay away from Dawn Hill, the alleged victim. No contact with the victim either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. You must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home and school and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. Do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. And you may, sorry, do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So it's from September, nearly 2 months ago.
And he received a total bond of 1,500 on his misdemeanor.
All right, I'll set the bond on this case. I'll find probable cause for attempted aggravated battery. Bond is $5,000. Actually, no, I guess it's probable cause for an aggravated battery, but I'll lower the bond to $5,000 because it happened 2 months ago. Good luck to you, sir. All right, Iris printed those out. Now, next case is Trevin Shannon. Hi, Mr. Shannon. 1 second.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Sir, you were arrested for possession of cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Is he eligible for pretrial? Signal. It's tapped. TAP alternate bond. It's going to be $1,000. So, sir, you have an address or no? Do you have an address where you live? Sir? You got the,
Sorry, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, TAP, this case number is F2523700. So make sure to keep all future court dates. You should get notice in about to go to court in probably 60 days. Have a nice day. Okay, next case, Eddie Walker, page 6. We did these before, so we have to give them Eric and help them with the other ones.
Oh,
Good afternoon, Mr. Walker. You were arrested for petty theft, 2 or more convictions, possession of cocaine, and resisting an officer without violence. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. We found probable cause for earlier. They had 5 bags of cocaine, he's stealing merchandise in the Dollar Tree. You're ordered to stay away from the, it says Dollar Tree, you wrote Family Dollar.
no, no,
You're ordered to stay away from the Dollar Tree store at 968 Southwest 8th Street in Miami, Florida. You're not allowed to go to that store and you must stay away from there. Do you understand? You can't go there, okay? Okay.
okay.
Yeah, let me see what his priors are. He has a lot of prior convictions.
No,
This, he had a no action for petty theft October 14th. He has it October 29th of last year. His conviction is a lot. State, I don't know what you want. His convictions, 15 years for kidnapping. I'm setting a bond. Count 1, petty theft, 2 or more convictions. With $12 of merchandise. I'll set that at $500. Actually, no, $1,000. He should know better to stop stealing with his priors. Count 1 is $1,000 bond. Count 2, possession of cocaine is $1,000. And count 3, resisting without is $500. Have a nice day. Next is Jordan Smith.
He received $5,000 in his traffic.
$5,000 on a traffic case?
Yes.
Oh, he must have upset somebody.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Mr.
Afternoon.
Smith.
Sorry.
So you were arrested for possession of a possession of a weapon while committing an offense, fleeing and eluding a police officer, improper exhibition of a weapon, and resisting an officer without violence. So I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Let me review for probable cause. Can you afford to hire a private lawyer or no?
Your Honor, I have so much going on right now. With
All right, I'll appoint a lawyer.
yeah, I work, yes, I work at Miami International.
He got a withhold. He's allowed, isn't he allowed to have a gun if he got a withhold? He didn't get charged with that. 1 minute. Okay, count 1, I don't think there's probable cause for that charge, lease outright. The traffic stop. Count 2, fleeing and eluding a police officer, there's probable cause for that. It's $2,500 bond. Count 3, improper exhibition of a weapon, no probable cause. Took the gun out to put in a glove box, release outright. In count 4, resisting without, there's probable cause, $500 bond. That's it. Your total bond is $3,000 for this case. Good luck to you, sir. Next case, Corey Brown, page 7. Hi, Mr. Brown. Sir, you were arrested for child abuse.
How you doing?
How you doing? It's from October 29th, yesterday. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So he says he was parenting his child. Let me read what it says. Actually, I think it may be probable cause for aggravated child abuse. That's up to the state to determine how they want to follow it. He's the mother's boyfriend, and I guess he's disciplining her. I don't know. Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the child. I guess she's 15-year-old child whose initials are ECA. No contact with the alleged victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home and school, and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. And do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. Also, in the event the child's still living in the home, you're gonna have to find somewhere else to go. You can, if she's moved out, you can go back, but if she's still living there, you have to move out. So you can return to the victim's residence one time only within 48 hours of your release from jail. You must be accompanied by a police officer so that you can retrieve your personal clothing, health items, medication, personal and business-related paperwork, and work tools. In the event there's an open, if you go to the victim's home without the police, or if you stay there, you will be arrested. Do you understand the stay away order, sir? Sir, she's not your biological child, right?
No, she's not my body.
Okay, I just want to know if I have to read the dependency portion, but I don't.
Quickly, you said that she vacates.
If she moved out or goes somewhere else, you can go back, but if she's living there, you gotta find somewhere else to go. I'm setting a bond. There's probable cause for child abuse. The bond is $5,000. Have a nice day, sir.
Instead of a clunky URL.
Per person.
Okay, got it. All right, ma'am, you're charged with petty theft.
Señora, la acusación es hurto menor.
We're asking for the standard bond, Your Honor. She doesn't have any priors.
I'm gonna probable cause. State.
Could we, sorry, can the state repeat themselves? I did not hear.
I'm sorry. I'm going to be asking for a standard bond. She doesn't have any priors.
Standard bond.
And we'd be asking, the standard bond is 500. We'd be asking for pretrial services as she has no priors.
No pretrial services here.
Están pidiendo su abogada un programa previo a juicio, la fiscal una fianza estándar de $500 porque no hay antecedentes penales.
Sí.
I don't know.
And if not grant pretrial services, and the alternative would be asking that she be released on her own positive.
State.
Yes, Your Honor. Based on my experience, I think she qualifies. However, I wouldn't be able to say.
Okay, I'm on her PTS and she qualifies. The alternate bond is 500. Here she-
Señor, el juez le ha impuesto un programa previo a
sorry.
juicio con fianza alterna de $500.
Okay. Tu fianza es $500, pero tienes un programa y puedes hacer antes. Ahora, pero
Right.
lo siento, vamos a explicar porque hay otra persona.
Frida Salinas.
Siento. Sí, sí.
Good morning, Judge. Mark Lefford on her behalf.
Good morning, counsel. How are you?
I'm doing great.
When was the last time I saw you?
Oh, it had to be 7 years ago.
No, it's got to be more than that. I haven't been here in criminal court, maybe in bond hearings, but not in criminal court since 2006.
Sorry?
So either you're getting older or I'm getting old, one or the other.
A little of both. Time flies.
Attorney? Yeah, I think that's the attorney is there.
All right, man, you're charged with 4 counts, actually 6 counts. One, a count of assault, a police officer, assisting an officer with violence, disorderly conduct, and disorderly intoxication.
Judge, you said 6 counts. I believe there's only 4. And the reading of the arrest affidavit shows no harmful contact, hence I'm challenging the probable cause.
Oops. Please. I got M1 and 1 and 2. Okay, come. This is the second. So it's only 4 counts. You're right. What's the probable cause of challenge?
Enforcement is something created. It would be better to let your attorney speak on your behalf, but if you want, you can ask him if he can say something and see what he says to you. Okay.
Are you going to challenge probable cause? Yes.
Yes,
In which count, Your Honor?
the that has not been given a bond. It appears there's no harmful contact.
What count is that? Assault?
Count of this.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, we don't usually say a word for assault in officers.
He's challenging probable cause. Then whether it's injunction. All right. Anything else? I would say yes and nothing. I can read the info for myself. What's your? I believe this is probable cause. What's your challenge to that?
Okay, and we're asking for a reasonable bond, and
Right. And count 1, PC on all counts. What's the standard bond?
The standard for the
Count one.
This is to be said, Your Honor, this is an M1, so we'll be asking for 500.
Okay, give me the standard bond each.
Do you need the section?
Okay, so we got 500, 500, 1,000, 1,000. Is that correct?
No. It's 1,500, 150, 100, 150, Your Honor. For the disorderly intox and disorderly conduct is one.
Your Honor, I'm gonna count 500, count 3, 150.
Let me correct you, should give me the standard bonds. What's the standard bond count? Corrections?
Count 1 is to be set. It has been set by you, Your Honor. Count 2 is 500. Count 3 is 150. Count 4 is 150.
Then count two.
Count 2 100.
Counsel, did you say anything?
You're asking, for $1,000 or less on the, count one.
Okay. Well, count one's $1,000. What does it mean to be reset?
Reset means that you have discretion, Judge, but we're asking for $1,000. Usually the standard bond on a regular.
Okay. You got $1,000 in count one. Count two is standard. What's the standard again? Count two?
500, Your Honor.
500. How about count three?
150.
150. Count four?
150.
150.
Okay, so someone can pay it and.
Hello, my name is Adam Ferrari, the Chief Executive Officer of Phoenix Energy. I look forward to you joining us at our next investor webinar, where you can drill deeper into our 9 to 13% annual interest rate bond offerings and see how our company has become an emerging leader in the oil and gas industry. In 2024, Phoenix Energy rose to become the 11th most prolific oil and gas operator in the Williston Basin, one of America's top producing regions. We are now right alongside industry giants like ConocoPhillips and EOG and plan to continue rising in the rankings. Our daily production rates have risen as high as 18,000 barrels of oil per day. We've sold more than 4 million barrels, and we're just getting started. We hope to see you at our brief webinar. In less than 1 hour, you will learn more about our 9 to 13% annual interest rate bond offerings and the U.S. oil and gas sector. These Regulation D 506E bond offerings are open to accredited investors. Our team will guide you through the details on how to get started. Sign up for the webinar and start your journey with Phoenix Energy today.
Frank Gage, coming out escape right now. Oh. I'm on a new level.
I have a purpose.
I won't stop now.
Finish that sentence.
Leveling up to the top now. Money, Miser. Bing. Oh.
Come on, he's right here.
Money baller, how to be a boss. I'm on a new level.
Boy. Come on, keep going. Imagine you're like a stick of dynamite. This drama is very important to me. I can't undercut the drama. I can help you. These are facts.
And what do you plan to do if this dream of yours doesn't work
That
out?
doesn't even enter my consciousness.
And you know, give you a stay away order from the place of the incident.
I don't know. Police station?
No, Your Honor, the place of the incident is a store, Ralph Lauren store, located in 9700 Collins Avenue, Suite 238.
All right, man. We'll stay away from that's. Give me a. I don't have a.
I get it.
All right. Thank you, Cal. See you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I address Ms. Salinas for 10 seconds?
Sure.
Ms. Salinas, Dieter is working with the bondsman to get you out as quickly as possible. She's on. Have a great day. Great.
You too. Ephraim Mohammed.
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach.
You're charged with battery, Miami Beach ordinance.
Is, no, it's the same charge from this time. It doesn't like it better.
That's my movie.
Yes, that's.
They just tell me.
What if I pause? What's this? What are you seeking? Miami Beach.
Your Honor, the standard bond is $250. I'd request a standard bond.
And we'd be asking for a reduced bond of $100. She's no ability to pay.
Right. Send about. Have a good day.
All right, ma'am. So bond is $250.
Karen Ramos.
I'm sorry.
Bond out.
Run down.
Sorry, Judge. On Miss Ephraim Mohammed, if we could just add, Miss Mohammed has informed me that she has a 10-year-old son that she needs to get home to. He's currently in the care of a babysitter, so we'd be asking if she's ensuring me that she's going to show up to court and everything to fight this case. We'd be asking that she be released.
Send it on.
Someone get the bond. No.
Yvette Jasmine.
I have this as a bond out.
Okay, doing better. What are
Maybe.
well,
Definitely be close to them. The beach.
Mr. Gill, do you speak Spanish or English?
this one?
Mr. Gill requires the service of a Spanish interpreter.
On the.
Oh, no.
Oh. Yeah.
Do you have
Spanish interpreter.
Thank you. Mr. Hill, you're charged with petty theft.
El señor está un hurto menor.
Forms.
I'm sorry, I think I was speaking, it cut out at the end.
Got to. What do I have to do a forms? So just
Okay, this is two different.
well all together.
Your Honor, the Gill, these are added to
Same guy. So you're charged. You have two different cases. So you're charged with petty theft case. I see that you're homeless. What does that mean?
El
Stay.
señor tiene un hurto menor. Veo que usted es desamparado.
Judge, given that he's homeless, we'd be asked that he be released on his own recognizance, given a date certain to appear on the homeless calendar.
Okay. Debido a eso, estamos pidiendo que le den una nueva
What if I
fecha de
drop house on each case? No. Standard bond.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Standard bond as well.
The standard bond in going to be 150. We're asking for elevated bond of 500 based on the amount of cases that he has open. He has 9 cases, 2 felonies.
And we'd be accepting that he's homeless. With no
I will get standard bond on each one.
Hay una fianza
How do you get out?
estándar.
Okay.
Your Honor, it still says current cases, so I don't have, our system just went down, but it appeared that he hasn't paid those money either.
Your husband, still there. Now go in. All right. Robert, well,
I'm Mr.
Mr. Brown with church of petty theft.
El señor. Oh,
Notify pause. Extend the bond.
And judge would be asking that he be ROR'd and given a date certain he's homeless.
150.
Okay, your bond.
Got to stand the bond for. Yeah.
Yeah.
We can't hear the state.
I only have one. The M2 is
150.
Your bond is $50. So you got it.
Birmingham homeowners, did you know there are 8 different ways?
Oh, you don't there? Whatever you say. Okay. You're welcome.
Mr. Preet. Hi. I'm Mr. Preet.
Nice to meet you. Mr. Springer, return petty theft.
And judge asking that he be released on his own recognizance. He is homeless, as the arrest warrant indicates, and the allegation is merely that he stole 2 lighters.
Your Honor, what is the defendant's name?
I'm sorry?
The defendant's name?
Preto. Do you speak Spanish? Oh, I'm sorry.
Yasu. Yasu.
English. Okay, he's talking English as well.
All right. I'm
We order for this case.
gonna find probable cause stand the bond is 150.
Okay. Your bond is you give him 50.
Okay, good. Should I pay it now?
You can pay now. If you pay now, you'll be released.
I don't have it yet. I will
Sir.
you know.
Okay, you can talk to them about that. Okay, the judge can't help you pay.
Okay, good. So
So you gotta go.
if I
That
pay
way.
it now,
Your Honor, he cannot leave until he acknowledges the stay away order.
what?
He needs
I don't
to-
have it.
Yes, Your Honor, we're writing it.
All right, well, we need him for the stay away.
Yes,
Keep
yeah.
him.
Okay.
So,
My PD knows.
They're issuing an order that you cannot go back to the place where you come. Okay.
good.
The judge.
So you just stay away from 9025 Hibiscus Street, Palmetto Bay. Very good.
That's it.
So,
That's all.
thank you.
No problem. Have a nice day.
I'm thinking of paying.
You can ask that.
Marcus Torres. Torrance. All right.
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach.
Mr. Tor. Hi, Mr.
This is a warrant. I think the A form's not properly
Mr.
marked
Torres?
as warrant, but it's a,
I have a bench warrant.
Mr. Tor.
okay,
Do you speak English? Habla
How
inglés?
much is bench warrant?
$1,000.
And we'd be asking that he be released as under cognizance. He is homeless. This is a camping ordinance case.
Your Honor, he failed to appear on the
Also,
9th.
And we can give
At
him a
his
date
arraignment.
certain. I have papers here to ensure that he appears in the future.
Your Honor, he had the date
$1,000
certain. He
bond.
failed to appear.
I'm gonna say it again.
I'm sorry.
Okay, your bond is 1,000. They're held, so they haven't been set yet. Since you have a bond, you're not getting a special status.
Joshua.
Okay, so you got to follow. Oh, sir, Mr. Osborne, right here.
Stay away order has been handed to the judge.
Mr. Osborne, you have bench warrant. What's the bench warrant?
Mr. Osborne.
State.
100, Your Honor, we're asking to be converted to the bond.
What's the charge? What was the charge?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
What was the charge on the previous case?
Trespass after warning.
From where?
The stay away order is set there, Your Honor, but it's going to be from a pool located in 2181 Northwest 74th Street.
That's it for what?
For a stay away order, and we're asking to the bond to be converted to the bond, the bench warrant to be converted to the bond. It's going to be 100.
100. EC. $100 bond.
Okay, your bond is $100.
And a stay away.
Yes, Your Honor, if you can read out loud for that. And then
Okay, I think they're done.
Okay.
Oh, he's got, so they're also giving you a street order from the place where you were arrested, okay? So you can't go back there.
Well,
Where? Judge, I'm sorry. Did you already?
I don't have to say water yet.
Your Honor, I give it to you.
Got it.
Oh, that's right. She took it. Stay with, I don't know what's the address?
It's going to be North Park at Scott Carver. It's going to be located at 2181 Northwest 74th Street, Miami, Florida 33147.
Right, stay with from there.
It's the address. You can't go back there. It's the place you were arrested.
So
You gotta go with it.
You.
Alfonso Wiley.
Really?
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach.
You charge an open container, alcohol container, and smoking marijuana.
Yes, Judge. We'd be asking that he be released, given the nature of the charges and that he is 65 years old.
Your Honor, ask for a standard bond in this case.
This video will make every diabetic throw their
I'm gonna find some both counts.
What did you order? I'm sorry.
I'm finding probable cause in both counts.
Thank you.
And I'm going to, how much is this, standard bond?
150 per count.
And we'd be asking for, if your honors inclined to issue bond, we'd be asking for 150 total. It's an open container violation and a marijuana.
It's a violation of the city ordinance.
150.
Thank you.
Each count.
Okay, so your total bond is 300.
Look, I want to thank you.
If you bond, then you'll be released for 2 hours.
Ishmael Wall.
Oh.
I'm sorry. This is just the release.
I'm sorry. What was
gotta
the
go.
bond, Mr. Wiley?
150.
Thank you.
Mr. Walker?
Your Honor, I'm going to hand you the stay away order in this.
I'm sorry, Judge. Which case are we on?
Joe Walker.
Okay, I have the wrong person. Mr. Anderson.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your
Thank
Walker
Walker.
refused court. We set for tomorrow.
Reset.
Walker was reset?
Yes.
Okay.
Then 2.
Okay. So Mr. Anderson. Sorry about that.
I know. They already wrote in court there.
Okay, I'll so I think they get your paperwork. Just give me. I don't think. Let me see. I don't think we can do that. But I'm gonna see if they'll actually okay.
Anderson. Edward. Is that him?
Yes, that's him. So, Judge, Mr. Anderson was picked up on a warrant.
Yes.
He's informed me that the reason he missed court was that he was in the hospital. And because he was incapacitated in the hospital, he had no way to contact anyone. He is homeless, so he'd be asking to be released, and I can give him a date. If we give him a date certain, I can give him the paper down. And he's assured me that he will be returning to court. The only reason he missed court was because he was in hospital.
I think benchmark $50.
Yes,
All right.
we are asking to be converted to the bond, and we are objecting for him to be released. In his own recognition, he has prior batteries from prior battery from.
150. $50.
Your Honor, I'm going to hand you a stay away order from the victim.
I could. Sorry.
You stay away from Shea Astor. Understand?
Could you please repeat the bond? We didn't hear.
$500. $50.
$50. They said no to ROR, but your bond is $50. I'm not sure.
Diana,
Mr. Señor, do you speak Spanish or English? Which do you prefer? Okay.
Your Honor, I'm going to pass you a stay away order.
Skylar, you're charged with petty theft. You have to stay away from CUS, whatever that is, CVS. 15700 Southwest 88th Street, Miami, Florida. And refund problems.
And we'd be asking that he be released and placed on the homeless calendar. He's homeless and he has no ability to be found.
Your Honor, we're be objecting. He has a history of bench warranting. He has one open bench warrant that we are going to be asked to be converted in case B25-17-14-3. The amount is 1,000.
And we'd be asking if Your Honor is inclined to issue bond or reduced bond in that case of 150, given the fact that he's homeless and he does not have the ability to pay.
Your Honor, again, we will be objecting. The trial judge was the one who said the bench warrant amount. He's the one who is related, who knows the facts of the case and the history of the case.
I have two cases. So I have the 143 and I have 249.
Yes. 143 is the one he bench warrant, Your Honor.
That'll be $150. On the other, what do you reckon, state?
Your Honor, in the 143, we're asking for the bench warrant to be converted, and the judge in that case set it in 1,000.
Oh, 1,000. So you said one.
We'd be asking for reduced given that he has no ability to pay. He's homeless.
Now let the judge deal with that. $1,000.
Okay, so you have
On
1,000.
the one and the other one, what if I propose standard bond?
It's 150 is standard bond.
So the judge
We'll be asking for elevated on 500, Your Honor. He has
It'll be 150.
to open more cases.
the other 50. Okay.
So I have to pay.
You, well, the total is 1,150, but if you go to a Boston, they can do less. But you have to go call someone to help you, okay?
Well, I can't get mixed other than mixed.
No.
All I did was take a beer.
I know.
That's
Okay,
it.
sir. Sir, we shouldn't talk about the cost of the case.
Anthony Mendez.
Mr. Men, do you speak Spanish or English?
Both.
Which do you prefer?
English.
English, okay.
So you're drinking alcohol beverage prohibited.
This is an announcement in that case, Your Honor. In case M25-022778, the stay announced a no pros for discretion.
Can I write this? On the
So your case is dismissed.
Madam Clerk,
Yes, so you're good.
can I write this? No process? Or
No, the case was dismissed, so he's going to be released. Oh.
Okay, guys, your car insurance company does not want.
all right. Luis Orellana, Monje Orellana. I don't know.
Dismissed. Mr. Monhe? Mr. Is this Monhe or
That's no monje, Madam AP.
okay? No, no. Oh. Just you have to wait, sir. Mr. Mon, okay. Yes, speak Spanish? Okay, Mr. Mon Oriana speaks Spanish.
¿Es Spanish interpret present?
Yes.
Right.
Your Honor, I'm going to pass you stay away order.
So your judgment is this exposure.
And can I be heard on probable cause in this?
Let me
The stay will stipulate to RR.
La abogada suya está estipulando a ver si se puede salir bajo palabra de honor.
RR.
El juez le ha puesto palabra de honor. Quiere decir que
Oh, you still
regresa a corte.
you still wish to address the probable cause?
Yes, Judge, if I may.
Okay.
So Judge, the charge here of indecent exposure requires some sort of lewd intent. In this case, based on the facts of the A form, he was sleeping in the bathroom. And he's homeless. He does not have a place to live. It sounds like while the allegations that his pants may have been down, there's no facts alleged that would indicate any lewd intent. He was merely sleeping. He was not doing anything. There's no observations by the police officer in regards to the nature of His appearance, his physicality that would suggest that. He was just like,
Su abogado ha dicho que usted solamente estaba
Stay, you
durmiendo.
want
estaba-
because I'm gonna,
Your Honor, there is no PC argument from the state. We are going to agree to defendant to be released.
no peace. See,
That's a no peace,
yes,
outright.
that's correct. They're not wrong. You want to stay away?
Yes, Your Honor.
yeah,
How can I do that? Having fun.
no, I know.
Oh,
Could the
Oh,
Spanish interpreter have a moment to please explain? Thank you.
¿Le van a dejar salir bajo palabra, señora? Is there a stay away order?
RR. Yes. No,
Hay una orden de
prosecution.
alejamiento, señor.
I'm sorry, ma'am. You have to speak louder.
Hay una orden de alejamiento y le van a dejar salir bajo
I don't
palabra.
have, there is no stay away order.
No,
No.
no hay orden de alejamiento.
We're not going to issue a stay away order when it's a PC.
Okay. Señor.
Okay.
Señora Carson. What is he? Okay.
Solo le van a dejar salir bajo palabra.
All right. Jonathan,
Okay. Judge Corrections is asking me if we can take number 42 out of turn.
I have no clue which one of 42 is.
It's add-on.
It's an add-on. The last name is Mr. Winter.
Those are the add-ons? Yes.
Yes, I'm handing the judge a stay away order.
Yes. Add-on.
That's it.
35.
What's on DD? All right, Mr. Winter.
Yes, Judge, for this case, we're asking for an elevated bond. The defendant has multiple priors. The most recent, which I can give to your honor, is 2025 convictions for trespass. Given the nature of the charge, we are asking for an elevated bond, Judge.
And we'd be asking that Mr. Winter be released on his own recognizance and placed on the homeless calendar. He's homeless. He has no ability to pay bond. And we can give him a date certain on the homeless calendar for him to come to court and have notice of his court date.
So you're charged with disorderly conduct and trespass, property.
Your Honor, for Mr. Winter, he has related felonies. He'll be back on your bond hearing calendar.
Okay.
You have felonies.
All right.
So you're gonna have to go, you're gonna have to come back with something.
All right. What's the standard bond from probable cause? What's the standard bond on one?
Count 150, count 2, 500.
150, count 1, 2, 100. What's that, 500 or 250? One count. 2.
2 is 500.
We're Phoenix Energy, a family-owned oil company.
Okay, so you have bond cases?
You have to stay away from 38 to 3501 Northwest 22nd Avenue.
You have bond cases?
The marathon.
650, but you have felony cases, they're saying. So you have to come back this afternoon for your felony hearing.
I have hip surgery. My hip legs are far. They only
You got stuck with it.
they only
Pretty sure it didn't.
pushing me down.
Then I could be wrong. See it here.
Okay, you should tell your attorney they can address that issue with you, okay?
That's the
You're gonna come back for a felony hearing later today.
My leg just go that way.
Jonathan Hall. So you're charged with obstruction by disguised person and petty theft.
This is Mr. Hall?
Yeah,
Okay, do you speak Spanish?
actually,
Which do you prefer?
Paul.
And Judge, may I be heard on probable cause as to the obstruction of disguise count?
oh, good.
You're not.
No,
I know, it's not for today, this is just about your bond.
Hey, what, are you here for probable cause?
If I want.
I believe she wants to challenge probable cause.
Yes.
Yes, you heard.
Okay.
What's your
My response to probable cause, okay, I thought defense was gonna make an argument, Judge. Our response to there being no probable cause for the first charge, which is obstruction of justice, is that there is probable cause based on the last sentence on the first page and first sentence on the second page of the arrest form stating that the officers asked the defendant to identify himself multiple times after he had been seen on CCTV committing a petty theft and he refused to identify himself. That is obstruction of justice.
So, Judge, the statute here is not obstruction of justice. The charge is obstruction in disguise. And the statute does not merely require an obstruction of investigation, but this charge requires that the person have some actual physical disguise, whether that be a mask or some way hiding their appearance. And there's nothing in the A form to make out those facts.
Judge, I'm trying to look at the exact language of the statute as the defense is citing. However, the internet went down in the courthouse, so we could briefly pass the case.
Oh, we'll pass.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. Can we readdress Ms. Armand Arellana? The last case prior,
Okay.
no PC released outright.
No, I did not find PC. I don't know.
So that's PC released outright.
That again?
So it's a no PC released outright.
Right.
Thank you.
RR.
Judge,
What's the difference?
Your Honor, I'm sorry. It's two different things. The no PC is released outright. RR is different.
No PC.
are we on call in another case? We're on hall.
One moment, please.
In fact,
Trying to get this.
period. There was no PC. Period. That's what I put that already there.
He ROR'd him. He released
Yes,
him.
I have no PC RR. That's right.
Right.
No, it's no PC or RR. It's two different things.
And no PC.
Can't he find no PC and also ROR him?
No, he cannot.
Okay.
It's either or.
Okay, Judge, you found no PC.
I
So
found no PC.
if they're saying no, then it would be released outright. That's what you're
Right.
saying? Then he's releasing outright infractions.
Thank you.
And what do you?
And on hall, Judge, we're ready to address the argument.
All right.
Okay, so regarding obstruction of justice, I understand defense's argument on Mr. Hall. I want to make sure.
Sorry, one moment. He's not here.
Okay. And for Hall, we have a stay away order that we're handing to the judge. Okay, Judge. So for Mr. Hall, I understand defense's argument stating that he was not disguising himself physically. However, Judge, this statute does not specify that they need to be wearing something to disguise themselves. It's up to your Honor's interpretation.
And that's what. Therefore, there's no PC uncountable.
Okay, understood, Judge. And just for the record, we would be stating that him refusing to provide a name, an intent to intimidate, hinder, or interrupt the police officer in the execution of their duties.
Okay.
And as to the theft count, we'd be asking that he be ROR'd in case given a date certain on the homeless calendar. He's homeless and has no ability to pay bond.
What's the standard on council?
The standard for count two, Judge, is going to be $150.
$150 on count two.
What did you say, Judge? We can't hear you.
$150 bond on count two.
The bond for count one.
And a stay away order from Walmart, 15601 South, 127.
Thank you.
So, no.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I have a confession. I was trying to stop my husband from buying this new 87-cent generic.
Count one.
That was,
All right.
well, I don't understand. I mean, I know. No PC, they said no charges pending. So he gets released, period.
I
understand what you're saying.
Okay.
I mean, I just don't understand the process.
Es mejor, ¿correcto? ¿Tienes poco? Ok, perfecto.
The legal issues. I don't get it.
¿Por qué no puedes confirmar? Ok.
Miguel Méndez González.
I'm sorry. Who did we call?
Méndez González.
Did we call Mr. Andrew Luna?
No, I don't have.
Yeah, that's the following that I also have.
That's the next one.
Yeah, Oscar Andrew Luna.
I don't have the lead. I've got Gonzalez, I got Méndez González, I have Marvin Alvarez, I have LeBron Cassidy. Now I have Andreu Luna.
Yeah.
Scott.
Here next to me, he requires the Spanish interpreter.
I will be passing and stay away order.
La fiscal está pidiendo orden de
It's a
alejamiento
standard bond.
y una fianza estándar.
Battery. What are you talking about?
Esto es una agresión.
Juan Pablo.
And we'd be asking for a reduced bond of $150. He's 78 years old.
Debido a su edad, su abogada está pidiendo una reducción de fianza de $150.
Vamos
Es mejor no sobre el caso, ¿ok?
Yeah. Is there any
Yes, Your Honor, he has one prior adjudication withhold from
what's the charge?
2001 marijuana possession. Other than that, he has to go arrest, but never has been
What's
convicted.
what the charges?
He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrests in the prior for battery.
$1,000.
Tiene 5 antecedentes penales por agresión y el juez ha impuesto $1,000 de fianza.
Stay away from Diana Millán.
Y tiene que mantenerse alejado de Dana Triaya Millán.
No, it's Méndez González.
Mendez Gonzalez? What did I say? Perfect. Mr. Mendez Gonzalez speaks Spanish.
I'm going to pass to stay away orders.
Sir, you're charged with battery.
La acusación es agresión, señor.
And we ask him for withdrawal services because he has no priors.
Como no hay antecedentes, su abogado ha
You-
pedido un programa.
Do one count.
No, Your Honor, he has 2 different counts of battery. It appears in the
What's the
A
other one?
as one charge, but if you look at counts
I see.
after, okay.
I'm gonna propose. What's the
1,000 in each. He doesn't have any priors, so we'll be asking for 1,000 each.
La fiscal está pidiendo $1,000 de fianza en cada uno de los cargos.
Your Honor, however, he does have a hold for immigration, so we'll be asking for a nice hold, and we can do then a $1 bond.
Yes, we'd be asking.
Y una fianza de $1
bond for each count?
A
porque
nice hold, Your Honor. You
Very
can-
nice.
tiene una detención de ICE, o sea, de inmigración.
Yes. Okay. Ahora, no, pues, okay.
And Your Honor, the stay away orders, if you can read it to the defendant.
So you just went from Wilbert Flores and Donald.
I think we need the Spanish interpreter to interpret that.
Alvarez. He hasn't interpreted.
No.
So you just stay away from Donald Cantero and Wilmer.
Dano Cantero and Wilbur, I'm sorry.
Wilmer Flores.
Flores. Señor, tiene que mantenerse alejado de Donald Cantero y Wilmer Flores.
This is the latest.
That's it for today, everybody. Just remember, we bring real court cases. And I broadcast every day at 3 o'clock p.m. Central Time, 4 o'clock Eastern Time. Tomorrow will be the UK Supreme Court, and we'll see how the court system works in the UK. But that's it for today. You all have a wonderful evening. Ciao, ciao, and ta-ta, and I will see you again tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody.
Breakdown, you're the one I call. From the mountains high, come down to it all. With your tools in hand, making magic flow. Every broken part, you help me grow. You fix it all, fix it all. You fix it all. Daniel, you make it right. Daniel, everything's right. When I'm falling apart, you put me back together. Daniel, you make it better. From the wires tangled up to the broken dreams, you know how to mend all my scattered seams. With your steady hands, you refill my heart. Every piece that's lost gets a brand new start. You fix it all, fix it all. You fix it all. Daniel, you make it right. Daniel, everything's bright. When I'm falling apart, you put me back together. Daniel, you make it better. Fix it, Daniel. Fix it, Daniel. Fix it, Daniel. Make it right when the world shuts down, and I can't see clear. You're my solid ground, always drawing near. Never give up on this heart of mine. Put it back together every single time. Fix it all, now I'm standing tall to all you do. From the highest peak, I can see it through. With your care and touch, everything's okay.